Hey guys, thanks for joining me and welcome back. I hope you're doing well. I'm doing great. And today I have a little bit of a MAC haul for you. This is from the Cyber Week, after Cyber Monday, the rest of the week. I don't know if you all were, but I was flooded with emails with very, very great discounts off if I shopped. So I got one from MAC, 15% off. There was no limit, I think, on how much you could spend. You just got 15% off if you spent, I guess, $25, or if you spent, I don't know, $1,000, I don't know. But you got 15% off, so I just got a small order of stuff, some lipsticks, and I'll show you everything. And I used my EBATES, and I saved $7 on the EBATES, and I got the additional 15% off from my order. So anyway, yeah, I hope you didn't see my address, but anyway. So let me just go through very quickly what I got. Let me fix my shirt. Some of the products in here, did I try some of them? Yeah, the eyeshadows, guys. I have on the eyeshadows. I'm going to start with that because that's what I have on. I picked up 3 eyeshadows. I'll go through them. I'll swatch them for you. I'm going to show you the one I have on. Okay, so this is the first eyeshadow. This is the one that I have on my my crease and just above my crease. This color is a matte color and it's called I'm Into It. And let me just swatch it for you so that you can see. And what I did was I applied this color very lightly, and then I build on it. I applied this color very lightly, and then I just reapplied to make the color a little bit deeper. So this is it. I have on my eyes, have it in the crease, and I have it above my crease. So I applied it in like 2 steps. The next color, I don't have this color on, guys. This color is called Trax Velvet. I think this is an old color. I don't know. Trax Velvet. This is what that looks like. And let me swatch this. This is like a purple kind of color with gold glitter or gold reflex in it. Hope you can see that. Yeah. That's pretty. I like that. I can't wait to use that. And the next color I'm going to show you is called Antique Volux Pearl. Antique, and it's a Volux Pearl. Okay. This is what it looks like. Sort of like a copper color. And let me just put that on. It comes off like a coppery orange color, guys. Where is it? That's it right there. I like these colors a lot. These are really, really pretty. The next thing I got is a paint pot, which I am wearing as a brow highlight, and I'm also wearing it on my lid. The paint pot is called Bear Study. I love this. Now, paint pots are traditionally used to like a shadow primer, eyeshadow primer. But I like this one a lot. I wanted to see how this looked as under my brow color, and that's the lighter color on my my lid. So let me just see if I can clean off my hands a little bit. This is really pretty. This has maybe like a peachy beige, no, beige gold kind of color. I don't know if you can see that, but that's it right there. Really pretty. That's so pretty. And I'm wearing that on my lid, and I'm wearing it under my brow. Very, very nice. Okay, the next thing I got was a couple of pencils by MAC. Because I go through eye pencils and lip pencils very, very quickly. This color is called Whirl. I wanted to try this color out. This is not a color that I really needed. This is a lip pencil, guys. It's called Whirl. And I don't know if Whirl really goes with my skin tone, but I did want to try it out a little bit. And I gotta find a lipstick for it. But I think this one by Milani that'll match this really nice. That Honey Rose I've been wearing for the last couple of months. I think that would look nice with this pencil, so I'm gonna see how that looks. That color is called Whirl, and it looks really cute. This next color is called, this is a lip pencil again, guys. This next color is called Chicory. This is another color that's been around for a while. This is my first time using it. This is like a brownish red, a little bit more red in it. Right there, that's a nice lip pencil. That's called Chicory. Really pretty, I like that. It's a nice like fall color. Last but not least, this pencil is called Stone. Now this lip pencil is an interesting color, guys. It's sort of like a grayish brown, but what I want to do before I show you the swatch, this pencil is exactly the same color as the edge of my natural lip. My lips are dark, maybe they're stained, I'm not sure, but this color sort of matches the color of my lips for some strange reason, the edge of my lip. So I wanted to use that to help give my lip a more natural, rounder look. I hope you can see that. Natural, more rounder look, maybe even extend the look of my lips. My lips are my lips are crooked, and I used lip pencils to help correct the shape. It's higher on one side, which is this side, and it's longer on this side. So I really have to do some work. I have to raise this side of my lip and then make this side just a little bit longer. But anyway, I like to do that with pencils instead of maybe like with lip injections, which I would never get. This pencil is going to help me out a lot. This color again is called Stone, and yeah, so I love this pencil, and I've already kind of held it to my lip. I can see that it's a good match. So I'll let you guys know how that works out. Next thing I want to show you is Velvet Teddy. This is another lipstick that's been around forever. I've never bought this lipstick. This is my first time purchasing this. And if you want me to, guys, I will try these colors on at another time. I'm definitely going to need a lip pencil with this one. Definitely going to need a lip pencil. And that's pretty. I love it a lot. And I know this is going to look good because I see ladies who are darker in complexion than I am wearing this color, and it looks gorgeous on them. And I'm just hoping it looks gorgeous on me. The next thing I have is a Ruby Woo lip gloss, and I'm hoping that this is not similar to that color called Mama Woo, or one of those red lipsticks that Patrick Starr created for his mother. But anyway, I got this. This is what that looks like. Doe foot applicator, and let me just swatch it. It's really glossy, super glossy. Ooh, that's glossy. And that's it right there, guys. Super glossy. Yeah, I'm gonna like that. Should I put that on, guys, with this? I wanna play around. This is really like the shade ranges is really off, and we're gonna play, guys. This is super pigmented because it actually turned this look nearly red. This is the Ruby Woo lip glass on top of the Plumeria matte lipstick by Anastasia Beverly Hills. But that's pretty. Yeah, this is good. This will work just kind of extending the color on a lipstick. So I went from more traditional mauve color to a reddish mauve color, which is really nice. It's still great for fall and winter. Yeah, this is nice. Okay, so I like that too. And that's the only thing, that's all I got, guys. And I got 3 samples. I got the Extreme Dimension Lash Mascara by MAC. I got 2 of those. You guys know I get this a lot. I love this. And I got the Cleanse Off Oil sample by MAC also. Sold by MAC. Yeah. So I'll be trying that later. But anyway, guys, that is it. Just a quick haul from MAC. I tell you what's going to be quick. And yeah, so let me know what you think about the stuff that I got. I got another, guys, I have such a huge haul that, like I said earlier in this video, I'm going to have to break it up into smaller pieces. Maybe I'll have to chop it up in half or into thirds, I'm not sure, and bring it to you in bits, because I really don't want to make videos really long anymore, especially hauls. But anyway, I like the stuff that I got. I like the lipstick. I like this ruby wood. Just really made this lipstick that I'm wearing already look extra beautiful. It just looks wonderful. Yeah. So guys, don't forget to thumbs up this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, and let me know what you think about what I got. All right, and yeah. So take care, guys. Stay blessed, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye bye.